About 7 years ago, I reached out to Mr. Lindo because he had like 4 videos on YouTube. And in one of the videos, he said that he didn't have anything to add to the message of Neville Goddard. And I thought to myself, that was just not correct. So I went about stalking him to find out where he lived and so forth, and reached out to him. And we had a conversation, and I reminded him of the conversation. I told him that I wanted to help him get his message out. Now, that's been about 7 years. And since then, he's reached hundreds of thousands of people that would have never heard of him prior to us having this conversation. What about you? Is there a message that you have that you want to get out? Is there a story you want to share? I want to help creators create a legacy. And this happens when you can create audio programs, video programs, ebooks. When you begin to create your own products and discover your own unique audience, you begin to set up legacy, because now the world has an opportunity to discover who you are. If that's something you're interested in, if you want to share your story, if you want to learn how to share your story beyond the few hundred people that you may have subscribed to you, and you want to take it to another level, then our 8-week workshop may be for you. The first class starts Monday, August 18th at 8 p.m. Eastern time, because I want to reach those people that are working during the daytime but want to still be able to get the message out. And the wonderful thing is, even if you're not able to attend one of the talks through the 8 weeks, you'll still get the recordings. And the other thing that I'm going to add as a bonus is that anybody that signs up, they'll get 2 coaching sessions with me. And through those coaching sessions, we can fine tune their unique message. So not only do you get to get on these calls each week, you'll also get an individual coaching session with me throughout the 8 weeks. There'll be 2 sessions that you'll have, and we'll basically be discussing how to take your brand, your message to the next level. This in itself is invaluable, and this is a high ticket offer if there ever was one, but you're not going to be charged high ticket pricing. If you're interested, go to Coach DeCarlo1 at gmail.com and say, Coach, how do I sign up? And I'll give you the information. This won't be for everybody, but if you're one of those people that want to get your unique message out there to the world, if you want to start to begin creating your lifestyle business, if you want to create audiobooks, digital books, videos around your unique brand, your unique message, then perhaps this workshop is for you. And the wonderful thing is, you can be a beginner or you can be advanced. And I promise you that you're going to take something away. If you believe the Millions on Demand 8-week workshop is for you, go to Coach DeCarlo1 at gmail.com and say, Coach, give me more information. Hope to hear from you. And again, this is taking place Monday, August 18th at 8 p.m. But if you're not able to attend, understand those who sign up will still get the content, still get the material, and they'll still be eligible for 2 coaching sessions with me. The coaching sessions themselves are worth the value of this 8-week workshop. So if you're interested, Coach DeCarlo1 at gmail.com, and just basically say, Coach, I'm interested. Where do I need to sign up?